Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. I'm going to put Avalon King's beautiful ceramic coating on my key machine to stop the chip buildup. Let's get into this show. I think you're going to love it. Ceramic coat your key machine. Ceramic coat my machine. Taking it apart, I can clean it with alcohol and then put ceramic coat for cars on my machine. That should make a big difference in how these chips are cleaned off. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Thanks, guys. I put this armor shield all over my car and it'll work great on my key machine. Thanks a lot, guys. Hit that like button. Look at this, guys. Armor shield. I can't wait to coat my key machine. Oh, this is gonna be a blast. So there's the product. I put it all over my Mini Cooper and I thought, you know what? I'm sick of these chips sticking to everything. I mean, all over. So I'm gonna put this stuff all over my key machine. Armor shield. It's gonna really help. Hit that like button.